Welcome to the hard surface Trimsheet product review, and let's go check out our new product and see what's in it. This product can be useful for those interested in using trim sheets to speed up their work. If you don't know what a trim sheet is, we will learn more about it later. Let's take a look at this product. After downloading this product, you will access to these three files. We import the first file, hard surface trim sheet SPSR, with base material format into the Substance Painter. You can use this material or SPSR file with any software that the Substance ecosystem supports. We can use the other two as mask for our lines in the later. Okay, let's go and create our sample scene for this review. And this is our highly subdivided plane. Okay. And let's apply this material to this plane. Now we can see our trim sheet. Let's go and open our shader setting and turn on our height. Make higher count of subdivision here, and ta-da! This is our trim sheet. Okay, let's go and review this material. Actually, we have 6 lines here, and each line has different parameters to quickly change to achieve the desired result for you. For each line, we have 10 pattern selection, and you can choose anything you want. You can create these parameters. Let's go to modify line 5. You can select any pattern you want, and as you can see, you can change the color of it. You can change the roughness parameters of it, or metallic. And you can use the input for anything in here. Let's create custom input for roughness 1 and procedurals. I use this. Let's go in the roughness. In final tweak, I drop down any dirt so we can see what's happening in the roughness. Okay. I can increase the contrast, balance, or use brush pattern mode. Okay, let's back into color. And every line here has these parameters, and you can come here and in line 2 select different pattern and modify roughness value as you want, and you can turn up these parameters. to see what's happened. This generator can help you to build your own trim sheets faster, but this is not the end of the road. You can use all your creativity to turn these trim sheets into functional work and manipulate it to suit your job. This could be useful if I mention this. We created for you some preset you can use if you want and if you like it. At the end, I want to create a simple trim sheet with these parameters and this generator and other option in Substance Painter that you can use and watch it until the end. Contact us if you have any question or any requests. I hope you can make the best use of this project and enjoy it. Bye bye.